Let's make an easy pasta salad that is packed with flavor and freshness. Start by boiling pasta in salted water until al dente. In the meanwhile, prepare all of the fresh ingredients. Cut cucumbers into medium-sized chunks. Thinly slice red onion, and in order to remove this strong odor and taste, soak it in ice-cold water until you prepare the rest of the ingredients. Cut cherry tomatoes in halves, and the star of the salad are sun-dried tomatoes in oil. Finely chop them until they form a paste, and take some white cheese like feta or mozzarella. Slice some olives and finely chop fresh herbs like parsley or basil, or a mix of parsley and basil. For the dressing, take extra virgin olive oil, very importantly the oil from the sun-dried tomatoes, red wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, salt, black pepper, and some dried oregano and a little bit of honey. I like doing this in a glass jar. It's really easy to just shake it for a couple of seconds and the dressing is emulsified. Drain and rinse the pasta with cold water. Add it to the bowl with all of the fresh ingredients. Squeeze out the water from the onions, add the dressing, some ruccola or arugula leaves, and mix everything together so that the pasta and the vegetables are coated with this flavorful dressing. Grate some parmesan cheese on top. I also like adding a drizzle of olive oil, and look how delicious it looks. It's full of color, full of flavor. It's really healthy and easy, and I hope you try this recipe.